Life is not different from the weather. Not only is it unpredictable, but it shows us a new perspective of the world every day. His name is Tadiwa. He said he was tired of living in the streets of Harare. A look at his face, you could see he is not feeling well. Tadiwa explained how chest pains are troubling him. As TV crew, we managed to take Tadiwa home. Surely it was a good day to go home for Tadiwa. Even Uncle Saint was excited. He decided not to drive but to sit in the back with him. Finally, we arrived at his house. However, to our surprise, not everyone was happy to see him. As his relatives narrate, Tadiwa took everything before he left for the streets. When they were looking at him, they could only see trouble. Someone they can never trust again. Uncle Saint tried by all means to advocate for Tadiwa, since he says he has changed.
Wakumana ndibatsirei kuti ndingonokumbira regerero kana vachitodana mapurisa uyo andori mupurisa ubva tonditakura ndo handadi zvangu ndobva ndaenda munhu anenge achitorevesa pamwendo nyepa muri kuona pandora zvinonetsa kana nena handingambogamuchire munhu anenge andidiki anditorera midziyo yese andidiki muri kuona pandora but auya mukomana charongoti ari vanyangomukasa ndigamuchira chingondiregererai kana ndichisungwa ndotobva ndotopinda mumaoko emapurisa haana kana kokutiza chete.
For now, as Saint TV crew, the only hope for Tadiwa is to look for his other relatives. The tale of Tadiwa does not end here. A lesson learned from this war story. These kids living in the streets, not all of them are innocent. Some of them have run away from home after stealing items that cost a huge amount of money. However, some have left home because of abuse. Saint TV crew stands firm with the vision of sending children living in the streets home. For now, we say much love.